All right, what's up, guys? It's Anthony here again. This message is gonna it's gonna go along with everything that I've talked about prior to this. If you watched any of my videos, this message is gonna go to anybody who can relate to one of the following. Okay, this is about a business that is taking over the United States, and our business has completely changed the legal system for good. Okay, now just hear me out. Okay, just a few things is what I want you to do is I want you to ask yourself this: anybody out there, have you ever been overcharged for something? Okay, have you ever been treated unfairly somewhere? Women, have you ever been harassed by somebody at work? Maybe it was your boss and you felt like you couldn't do anything because you were afraid to lose your job. Then you thought you could go to HR, but by then your boss would have found out and fired you and just lied about everything. Okay, me personally, I know of some women that have been in that situation. Okay, and they feel like there's nothing they can do because they don't know their rights. Another thing, have you ever signed a document, something you didn't understand? Then you end up paying huge fees or huge payments for a service or a product that you probably don't even use or you never even received. Okay, but because you signed these documents, you have to pay these payments or the fees. Okay, so you don't know your rights. Therefore, you made a decision because you weren't educated on what you could actually do. Okay, another thing, people out there, especially in the United States, you ever been driving, you ever been pulled over by a police officer, and for somehow they treated you unfairly, or maybe they racial profiled you. Maybe they pulled you over because, they thought that you couldn't be driving, that type of vehicle that you were driving just because they profiled you. Or, single parents, have you had any problems, in child custody issues or past, ex problems with your exes and them being in the wrong hands, but you not being able to do anything, all because they have the money, they have the power. Okay. So what I'm here to tell you is that I'm here to help anybody that can relate to any of those situations. And you know what? I can go on and on and on about this. I've been in a lot of these situations before. And because I didn't know my rights, I ended up getting screwed over. And, it doesn't feel good at all. Because, especially in the United States, if you don't know your rights, you don't have any rights. Okay? So what I'm here to relay the messages to anybody that you guys do have rights now. Okay, and to our middle class, the people who are working hard out there, you go through legal situations on a daily basis. Okay, and sometimes you feel like you have been treated unfairly, but you don't know what to do because you don't think you can afford an attorney to get some advice or get some help. So therefore, you just go ahead and you just take whatever's thrown at you. Okay, but I'm here to give you guys some information that there's going to be a stop to that. And that we have a service out there, okay, that's going to provide you, good, high-quality attorney services, and all you're going to pay is $26 to $30 a month to month, no contract, okay? That way, just think about how many times you've been in situations where you've paid tremendous amounts of money out there for things that have happened to you, and you just got screwed over. Okay, so the last few videos I've gone over with you guys, and I'm sorry I'm not a public speaker. I'm just trying to get the message to you guys because I'm very passionate about this business, and this is a service that I feel everybody should need. Okay, it also includes identity theft protection for an extra $9 a month. You have full identity protection for you and your whole family. Not to mention, this one membership covers everybody in the household. Okay, guys? All right? So, you can also call this number. It's a toll-free number, 800-394-6919, and it's just a recording. It'll give you a brief overview of what the company actually does. Or you can go to my website, anthonybarrett.buildlastingsuccess.com, and get some more information, or you can always contact me on here, and I'd be more than happy to help you out. Okay, so I hope you guys have a good night, and I hope you guys think about what this video has to offer, and I'm out.